I wanted to go bright and do a vibrant color, and I thought, why not just really just make it bright and big and really just head to toe, top to bottom, go all in. Hi, I'm Nicole, and today I'm getting plum hair. Before you see my transformation, subscribe below. I want plum hair because it is something that I have always wanted to have the courage to do for myself, dye my hair a fun, bright color from top to bottom. And in quarantine, I thought it would be a really great opportunity to get to do that. My current hair makes me feel fine. For a long time, I let my hair grow and just it kind of got to the point where it was like below my butt. And once I donated over 16 inches of hair, I felt like I fully released that control. And once I let go of something like that, where I let somebody else take a little bit of that control, I had more freedom and more fun, and that allowed me to open up to the opportunity to do something like this.
Hey guys, I'm Marilyn. I am a stylist and colorist at Beaumain Salon here in Beverly Hills. Hi Nicole, nice to meet you. So what are we doing today?
I want to dye my hair plum.
Ooh, plum. All right, let's get started. So I think plum hair is trending because we are going into fall. It could be big and drastic, or it can be a light, subtle change when it comes to plum colors.
I am most anxious about waking up tomorrow and not remembering I did this. And my hair is going to be purple.
So first, I mixed two different formulas, one being different for her root and one being different for her ends. And then I start applying the color from mids to ends, staying an inch away from her root so she doesn't get a hot root, and a hot root is a root that is lighter than the normal achieved. After applying the color through her ends, throughout her whole head, I apply to her roots. I apply color block around her hairline so her hairline and her skin don't turn red. And then I let her process for 45 minutes under a shampoo cap, 20 minutes under the heat, and then 25 minutes cooling down. And then I take her back to the shampoo bowl, give her a thorough shampoo, shampoo her twice if needed. And then I apply the conditioner scalp through ends because she just went through a major color process. And I leave the conditioner in. I get a little bit of color remover to get the color off her skin around her hairline. And then once I'm done with that, I rinse out the conditioner and bring her back to the chair for the final look. The final step is applying a heat and thermal protectant and oil so her hair is nice and soft after the blowout and style. And I blow her out with some nice bouncy waves and finish her off with the curling iron. Perfect, are we ready?
Oh God.
You can open your eyes.
No way!
There you are, my dear. Your eyes
Whoa!
pop. Look how vivid your eye color looks.
Oh, this is not what I was expecting. Seeing the reveal in the mirror was super, super, super dope. It was not what I was entirely expecting, which made everything really fun. Overall, I feel really excited to have something new and different to try, and I think that this came out really great.
What I recommend for people that want to keep their hair that color is coming in every 6 to 12 weeks for a new gloss or just to refresh your roots, using a color safe shampoo and conditioner, and also possibly getting a shower head filter.
My hair feels really light and fluffy and smooth and airy and just beyond healthy. I am most excited about seeing my hair in the sun and seeing how the light is gonna catch it in a different color and being able to have fun with that and be more playful with that. This is going to help boost my confidence and give me a new pep in my step and really help me just see myself in a different light completely. It is a really great, new, exciting thing that I get to have and play with. Thank you for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here, and subscribe, click here.